Hi everyone. In today's video, I thought of making an Excel dashboard using VBA and some Excel formulas, and I hope you're gonna like this video. So as you can see, I have a simple data set here, and in column A I have sales rep, I have the transactional date, the year, the month, and the product that the person has sold, the number of units, at what price, the totals, and the location. Now I've made this dashboard using some database formulas and a little bit of VBA magic. So if I go to the control sheet, you can see that I've used advanced filter here to get the data for the selected person, and I have my database formulas here on the left hand side. So let's take a look at the dashboard. So this is the dashboard, the final output. On the left hand side you can see that I have all the names of the sales rep, and I have a title here which automatically updates when I click on the person. So if I click on Stephen Henry, you can see that my title updates automatically for that salesperson. I have the calculations for 2011 and 2012 updating automatically for the locations, and I also have the year-over-year growth or the decline, right? So as I click on each of them, my values update automatically. And not only that, I have my box or name updating here with a different color compared to the rest of them. So this is done through a little bit of VBA magic. And if I come on the right hand side, you can see that I have different brands for that salesperson that he sold. So right now it's showing Huawei. So if I just bring my mouse on top of Nokia, you can see that the screen updates automatically with the values for that. If I click on Honor, it updates automatically. If I click on Apple, same thing happens. If I click on Samsung, my screen updates automatically. So this is done just by bringing your mouse over these brand names, and you can see that my totals update automatically as well. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and if you do, just give me a like and please do subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more videos in the near future. Thank you.